Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven Wong. Today we want to do the unboxing and the review of this Tamiya 4K FW190D kit in 1/48 scale. Let's talk a bit about the D9. D9 was created because the A series, although have a great weaponry and one of the respectable fighter in their era, has a problem in high altitude because their engine, the BMW 801, was rated for medium altitude use. So when they were used in high altitude, their performance is deteriorating. The crude tank want to produce the TA152 as a high altitude fighter. For the temporary solution and also to fill the gap, the Focke decided to produce the D9, which is basically the AH series airframe fitted with the Jumo 213A inline engine. This gives them performance boost. Although D9 was originally said as the temporary solution, the D9 was a success and very well liked by its pilot. Let's start to review this. First, from the box. The box is featuring very nice box art. The box is very light and sturdy. Let's talk about the inside. Okay, as you see, it has three main plastic screws. The first screw, the screw A or screw number 1, consists of the top wing, the cockpit body, the throttle, the undercarriage part, the pilot seat, the stabilizer, the bay wheel. It also features the BMW 801 engine part, which you can keep it for the future use. It doesn't need it. It isn't needed here because BMW 801 is for A series. The spool number 2 or spool F consists from the fuselage, the cockpit part, the antenna, the headrest, the engine cover here and here, the propeller, undercarriage, and the supercharger exhaust, antenna, and a wheel. By the way, as you can see, this kit is very nicely molded. It's good enough detail, which can suffice for most of people. The third spool consists of the alternate headrest and also the lower wing. Okay, this is the decal paper. The decal paper is nicely printed. This one is for the engineer. The other part, this is for the stencil and for the marking of the fuel number, as usual, because German like to detail. This is the quill part. This is for use the canopy. Tamiya give you two options. The first one is the old one, and the other one is the new and the blown style canopy. This is very clear. It's very nice. Tamiya also give you two poly caps, which you can use for your proper spinner, so you can make your proper rotatable, and also you can detach it if you want. You won't detach it if necessary. Tamiya also give you the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet have 4 languages: the German, the French, Japanese, and English. The instruction is very straightforward. The first start from the cockpit, and then the fuselage. The third part is wing, and then attaching the wing with the fuselage, the external fuel tank, the undercarriage. Tamiya also nice because they give you instruction how to properly angle the undercarriage. The other part, this is the engine cap. This they also give you the instruction to put the poly cap here. The other part is for the supercharger. This is for the propeller. This is for the canopy. Depends on the sim you choose. The last part, attaching the canopy to the fuselage. The Tamiya provide you three sim for this. The first one is for the Jack Stafford 301 or GG301. The second is GG4. The third one is GG54. They also give you the instruction for the color, like this. My review for this kit is very nicely molded, have a good enough detail. Although the new release kit like Edward can perhaps surpass it. This kit is very easy to build, very intuitive. This kit is not complicated. This kit is suitable for someone who want to quick build, and also for the recreational. Even for the novice model can make this kit very good. And I said the fit of the kits is very nice. If you need a filler like putty, or depends what you choose, you just need it little if any. Thanks for watching.